I hate my job! Ninh explains, I hate my job, should I quit? Now, we've all worked in crappy jobs before.
I work 16 hours a day in a mobile call center.
I change motor oil.
I work airport security for United Airlines.
The sad reality is that there's millions of people out there who absolutely hate what they do for a living. These jobs are causing them stress, depression, making them sick, or in some cases, making other people sick.
Get off of my plane!
But day after day, they keep getting up and they keep doing it. The real problem here is that people who hate their jobs feel that there's absolutely no way out, that they have no other option. Now, if this describes you, then let me tell you something. There's always an option. And if you hate your job that much, then the hell are you still doing working there? So what, Ninh? What can I do? If you actually don't mind your job, but there's a few things that you hate, let's see if you can find a solution to them. Find what the problem is and see if you can go about fixing that. Maybe it's bad relationships with your colleagues. Maybe it's the fact that you're not being paid enough. Maybe there's too much pressure or too little responsibility. But before you do anything, see if you can find a solution to your problems. Now, if you absolutely hate it, cannot stand it anymore, not a second longer, and there are no solutions to your problems, then for the love of God, get out of there. Get out of it like you get out of a burning house. Do not stay at a job that you do not love. It is the high road to failure, frustration, unhappiness, and dissatisfaction in life. Get out of there, don't look back, and see if you can find something else whilst you're running. Alternatively, decide what you'd really like to do and start pursuing it. Even if you have to take a temporary other job just to keep the money rolling in, do it. Don't be one of those guys that stays in a job for 50 years and realizes that they should have done something different 40 years ago. Life's too short. Get out there and do what you love to do. But I need the money. Don't we all? But let me tell you something about money. Your money is no good to you if you have to spend it recovering from the place that you're earning it from. And similarly, you're no good to your friends, your family, and your kids if you're sick, stressed, and angry all the time. That's no way to live. If you don't have your mind and you don't have your health, then you've got nothing. But the economy. Okay, yeah, the economy sucks. But newsflash for you, sucks for everybody. We're all in the same boat as you. The only real question that you need to ask yourself is, how badly do I want out? And how badly do I want to change my career? I can't answer that for you. That's a decision you're going to have to make. Find a solution that works for you. Do something, do anything. But what I don't want you to do is rot in a job that you absolutely hate. Guys, if you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. It takes me ages to make one of these things and good karma is very much appreciated. You'll shortly be able to download my free ebook right here. And feel free to follow me on social media right there. But on a closing note, guys, I believe that you can do anything that you put your mind to. I believe that you can have any career that you want. The real question is, do you?
Get off of my plane!
God, I hope they don't sue me for this. Oh, that stuff isn't good. In all seriousness, I know I'm joking around here, but I hope, David, if you're watching this, I hope you get better soon.